Hey, Mark Nelson, have you ever wondered how you can get yourself organized? Today what I want to do is share Trello with you. And to tell you the truth, I didn't understand Trello right away. In fact, I went through with my coach and he shared it with me, and it was just an unbelievable way for me to get organized. So I thought I'd share with you something simple. I used to be, I'm old school, so I used to have a pen and paper and write down to-do notes every day and what I want to do, and I still do that, but I'm trying to get everything over to Trello. So this is my to-do board, and I'm going to share it with you. I have the first one is things to do, and then I go Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and you can organize this however way you want. So when you start, let me go back here. When you start a Trello board, you can start a list. So this is, if I could add another list, I'll just say all stuff done. I have no idea why I just named it that, but I'm going to add list, and it shows up. There it is. Now, if I don't want it, I can go in here and it says archive list, and I really don't want it, so I'm going to archive that list. And I'm going to click out of here. So what I do is I have, there we go, it wasn't working. I go Sunday through Saturday, and there's a reason for that. Some people don't work on Sundays, and that's cool. I end up doing a lot of work because generally my wife works at where she's at, and I have the day to do what I want to do. So I put together my Sundays and go for it. So the first thing I do is, on this one, this is things to do. Now, this board is called Make It Happen. It really, the second word is, I cleaned it up because it was a 4-letter word and started with S. But, and I really got that from one of my mentors that made sense to me, because gosh darn it, you got to make things happen, right? I can't sit back and wait for things to come, and either can you. So this is what I do is throughout the week, to tell you the truth, I dump on here things I have to do that I want to put together and get done. And then as I go through my list, I kind of move them over. Like, here it is. I'm gonna move this. Here's Sunday. Video on Trello. I had a Facebook group funnel, and now I'm done with that. So what I do is I go in and edit this, and it says edit labels, and I put a red on there, and I save. And I know that one's done. And I do that for a reason, because doggone it, you have to celebrate little wins. You really do. So I make sure by the end of the week, I have a bunch of reds on there. I've done this testimonial, so edit labels. Here we go. Save. I'm not quite done with this, but I'm going to be done. So I'm going to say, hey, I did that. Save. I put my funnel together, so I'm going to do that. I put together an email thing. So I'm going to go through, and I'm going to edit labels. I'm going to put a red there. Now, this doesn't happen for me every day. Edit labels, save, because there were, so this is something for my wife. And I'm not going to do that today. So what I'm going to do is move it to Monday. I'm not going to get mad at myself. I just move it to Monday. That's all it is. So that is my video on Trello. If you would like to see this again, or would need more help, just reach out to me. This is really cooler than heck, easy to do, and you can keep yourself more organized. All right, you take care. Talk again soon.